Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a newly traded in Premier Gemini 221 fishing cruise. This is a two-tune boat. It's a 22-foot boat. It's powered with a 90 Mercury outboard. We have a bimini top, fishing seats in the back, nice plush interior. This boat was just traded in, freshwater boat. Let's get up on deck, we'll show you some more. Okay, as we come up through the starboard side transom, there's a nice stainless steel boarding ladder. We have these two cute little doors that will close you off inside. There is a fishing chair here that I've moved over to the other side. Back here we have a live well that's never been used. Rod storage, tackle storage, set up for fishing on the back of the boat. As I come forward, there's a change house back here. Ample room, you can put storage in there, a porta potty if you desire. Our wraparound seating, our removable table, our high back helm chair. Up here on the dashboard, we have a Jensen stereo system, fish finder, and ample gauges and switchery. This boat is available. It is a MarineMax used boat, so it will come with life jackets, fenders, full tank of fuel, fully detailed, and of course the captain's orientation. Please come down to Lake Hopatcong. We'll show you the boat. Thank you.